Hey, this is Vijay from Future Automation. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're gonna see how we're gonna convert Excel data into dictionary in UiPath. First method is using for each, also add to dictionary, and second one is using link queue, and third one we're gonna see how we can use group by and sum in link queue. And also, if you watch the video till the end, you'll get one bonus tip as well. Okay, let's get into the code. The first, we open the process menu, like the process, and we just create Excel to it's a dictionary. We create a okay. Start with one because I already created one. So let's start with sequence. Sorry, double click. Oh my god, kidding me. Let's open the main. Let's do it in the main because this is just for the demo. We are not going to use the read framework or anything else. So first we read an Excel. I happen to start with Azain. I get used to it. Let's just here. So workbook path, and I think I have the data here. Sorry, it should be data. We just copy paste it here. Because that one I have done it already, and I will share the code in the GitHub repository, and I also will post the links down below. So we start with the employee, and we need read an employee. So first read the range, and the sheet name is employee. I'm pretty sure because I changed the name, so let's double check it later to ensure that the name is right. The data table, click Control K, which is faster. Table employees. Okay, so this does the reading work. So what we do is we loop through the data table employees, and we add into the dictionary. First we declare the dictionary, we add a dictionary variable. Dictionary, maybe employee emails, MP emails, whatever, and then dictionary, and it should be here. Oh my god, oh here, collections. It's under system collections, generate dictionary key and value. The key data type should be integer because it's employee ID, and we're gonna take email, so it should be string. That's it. So we go with for each row. Okay, for each row in table. Oh, it's not coming because the type we just, oh my god, it's here. So we just change into the sequence. I just change both of them. Even we can, and I'll just use just option one. Okay, kind of look pretty. So table employees, and here we need to do one more thing because we need to add into the dictionary. So I think we cannot find the add to the dictionary. Yes, it's not there. So in order to get that, go to manage packages and add Microsoft. Did I enter right? Okay, Microsoft, change to the all packages. Microsoft dot, please ignore this warning. Activities. Yes, here activities dot extension. Install it. Click save. Now we will get the add to dictionary part here, and then put it here. So we need to choose the type. So integer and string. That's it. So we choose it, we choose this one, and dictionary is employee email, and key is employee ID, so it should be empid. Let's double check the later. And email should be integer, so we need to convert. So integer.parse, then it should be all right. Okay, here we go. Email should be string, change to string. Okay, that's it ready. I think one more we need to do is we need to initialize the dictionary. So we add one assign statement. We just add assign statement here. So new dictionary of it's int 32 and string. Okay, finished, it's done. So if we do like this, then we get the dictionary with all employee IDs along with emails. It's easy for us to do the lookup in the future, and we can do the operations very quickly. Let's just test it out. Let's right line, let's test dictionary employee emails. Let's enter some ID. Let's change it now, and data string. So it should return the email of for this employee 555, the one who has ID 555. So let's just employee, let's just try. So this is the Excel file we used it. So empid, let's double check the name here. Okay, empid, it's right. Email, oh, it's wrong. It should be, okay, let's just copy paste it. Let's not take any risk. And we just query somewhere here. Mr. Rich Bates. Okay. What's wrong? Why are you showing error? String to integer. Why? Oh, because the key is integer. I'm sorry for that. So it should be integer. Let's run it and let's see that in action. Save debug. Okay, I think I have opened it already, causing the problem. Just stop it. Close the file. Let's run it again. And let's see the output here. Still reading. Yes, it's done. Let's see the output. So it reached out Bates at apple.com. So this is right. We checked it already. So for the sake, we'll check it again. Oh my god, I forgot the height here. Let's look for it. Yes, here it is. It's right. So this is the normal way, and which is easy for many of us. Yeah, including me. Including many of us. So but I think this is kind of time taking, like we need to go through all of this. It's time consuming work. So let's go for the option 2, which is using LINQ, which won't cost this much operations. We just do it in one line. I go for sequence, sorry. So this should be option 2, LINQ. I guess we're gonna reuse the Excel, so we just put it on the top. So what's wrong? Okay, the type change into, sorry, here. Okay, here, change this into sequence. Okay, this should be all right. So we're gonna reuse the same table, the same data in the option 2. So what we do is, so even we don't need the aligns, the creation initialization of dictionary, we just directly use the LINQ. So we reuse the same variable, same dictionary. Oh my god, I should have done it earlier. Here, change to sequence. I think we create a new one to ensure it is just added this name. Yes, change to sequence. Copy this. Okay, so here what you're gonna do is like table employees as enumerable. Okay, here if you wanna use the link queue, we need the enumerable. So in order to get that, go to the imports and type system dot data dot, what's that, data set extensions. Oh my god, it's not displaying here. Let me try to use data link queue. Okay, both of them is not displaying here. In order to add that, just close this one and go to the location where your project is, and it's here. Right click and open with Notepad. Just open with Notepad and add one line here, especially here in assembly reference. So we can add anywhere, but I'm gonna copy and paste, add here, add dot data set, I'm not sure if this one, extensions, data set extensions, save it, open it again. Okay, let's test it now. Table employee stat, so it's here, right here. Table employee status enumerable dot to dictionary of. Okay, we don't need off. Just go with. We need to give the key and value. So to do that, you use the function x, or like the func. It's kind of it returns one value. It's a function to return one value. So it's this syntax is like function x. Yeah, just directly write it. X dot, the x is optional. You can write any name instead of x. This is the item. Then what would be the key? Key will be empid. And so it's integer. So what we do is integer dot parse, and the second one is the value. So here's the same function x. We'll just write it x dot item, and we go with email if I'm not wrong. Right. Okay. Something I missed. Object to string. Okay, here dot to string. I guess that's all. No, here too. Need to add to string, because the default type, if you use extra item whatever, then you'll get object, and in order to use within the parse, integer or parse, it should be a string parameter. So we change into dot string by using dot to string. The same here, this object type, but our dictionary is defined in integer and string, so this was causing issues. I just had a dot to string. It's all right. So we have done, instead of doing these two steps, we have done in one step. Just copy paste the same, and we just change the name. Okay, we use the same rich Bates employee ID. Let's see what will happen. Let's run it. I feel kind of flickering. My system is slow at some point of time. Okay, so here we get the rich Bates and apple twice. So this also works, this also works. It's purely depends on you, and it's up to you like which one you use. If you ask me the speed of these two, I'm not pretty sure I I guess this is more optimized than this one, and it should be faster than that one. So we will notice the difference if we run through 10,000 or more records. Then it's easily visible. Now, apart from this, I also would like to show the third one is about the using the group by and sum. Like this is the most frequent used in many business cases, like where you have an Excel table, like let's say a sales, and but you want to group the sales by country or region or something else, department or whatever. So in those cases we need to use the group by and also the sum or aggregation functions, the average, whatever. So let's see like how we gonna do the group by and sum using the link you here. So I'll just minimize this one, and we're gonna use sales data, and it should be here. Yes, sales records. So we're gonna use this data, and we're gonna get the region-wise sales. This table is the country-wise sales. Yes, country-wise, it's not, yeah, total cost, total revenue. It's not just sales. It's a kind of profit, your whole account. It's a sample data, and I actually I wanted to mention it early that if this is a sample data, it's generated uh, automatically. I will share the link in the down below, like to where to get these sample data. I think it's pretty cool. I have downloaded 4 kind of data, and it's also available kind of record wise 500 100 500,000. I just downloaded 1,000 and 100. It's enough for me to do this video, also practice for myself. So let's just read this Excel, and let's go to the Excel application scope. Just choose that file, data input, employee, no, sales, and rearrange. Did I delete that? Okay, I think I should delete sales. Make sure the sheet name is same, otherwise it will cause issue. And okay, table sales. I think this will create it for the whole sequence because we are under the sequence, so we don't need to create a new one. We don't need to change it to anything else. So the sequence here, and we as usual go with assign, and we create one dictionary region sales, whatever, and the sales is with the region, so the region is a string, so we use dictionary key is string, and the sales should be double, so double. Did I find that? Okay, here system, under system double, click OK. So we got the string double dictionary. Here region sales. Okay, so what we need to do here is like from, so this is the link here. I like it most. It's like normal SQL query, but it's not similar syntax as that one. This is quite a little bit different. I think many of you maybe you know about how to write it. So let's just go move on. Sales in table sales. Sorry, why I can't see that. Check the variable. Table says really change the sequence. Table says as enumerable. Okay, so group by, so group by, group as by. So yes, you can write any name you want. I just wrote it as for the simplest to keep it simple. Some guys use row or w or x, whatever. As by, so we use key and variable. So in S we can go with field of string because the region is string. It's the region. Let's double check that region and we're gonna get the profit. I think it's let's get the profit, region wise profit. So it should be total profit. I'll just copy that. We can use it later. So we get the key and into group sales. Go to group. Okay, now we have grouped it. Now we need to sum it. So sum it like select. So we put those values into dictionary. To note the dictionary we define as key value. Oh my god, key value pairs of string double, and the value is key because the key is the region name, and double here we need to sum the group values, sum of. So here is the func. So you could see the func. It's a kind of a basic building blocks for this programming language in .NET. That's what I read. So this is very useful. Like you can create whatever function you want. Like whatever you can do it in the between scope. Usually, like the people, you can use return like that. It's getting more complicated. Let's do our work first. Later we could see like how we can do it more. Extra field of double. I don't recommend doing in this way. Let's go with item and total profit. Copy dot to string and wrap it up with double dot parse. Because this is string, we need to convert into double in order to sum. Okay, we have wrap it up. Double dot parse. This value has been summed. And so did I miss one more? No, not yet. So this is it. We have taken the every row and we group it with region, and after we have done this one we do it one more, like we take the key and sum all the total profit under that particular region. So now we have the key value pairs of how many regions we have, that much. So we convert into dictionary. It's quite simple. Just add two parentheses and just to dictionary. That's it. Do I need to add those? Seems, oh yes, we need to do that. Like the similar, we need to choose the key and value for it. It should be straightforward. The same func x dot key, because we in the key value pair we have the key and value, so we just mention it directly the same. Just type it. That's it. So we got the key, we got the value, and convert into all values into dictionary. Sorry, all key value pairs into dictionary. That's it. We got the sales. Now we're gonna print this, and so let's do the region checking again. Reline. Gonna take region sales and region Europe. I wanna see how much sales in Europe. Down to string. Okay, because the output will be in doubles, we need to convert that into string. We put it here. Let's run it now. Oh my gosh, because I have opened the file, it's causing the problem. Just close that one, run it again. Okay, we got the output. I see the open. Okay, so this is the sales. If you want to double check, let's open the file and just filter the Europe and check the profit. How much profit we got? Oh my god. Oh yes, I thought this one is actually sum 106. I want to validate. Please stay here. Okay. 06771968. Yeah, 4.45 and 5 are same. So we have done well, and I hope this helps you to get some things done in your daily work or for the learning purpose. And the bonus part is like how we gonna print all the just now we just covered the Europe. Let's say we want to see all the regions in a single line, and we also can do that with LinkQ, which is much faster. We also can do that with the normal one, but in one line, how we gonna do that? Let's see. String summary, profit summary should be right name. Okay, still profit summary. Okay, here. So the idea should be take all key first and take the value and combine it together first. Then we can convert and then convert into array. So let's go into action from key value pair in. I think it should be key in dictionary region sales dot keys. Then select K plus. So the K would be the key. The key will be the Europe or any name, so it's the region name. Use this value plus region sales. So we get the sales amount, total profit using the key. We got everything. Now we convert this into array. Actually, we have the two array. Okay, that's it. Now we get the array of the summary, and we just convert into one line. So this is just normal one string dot join, which can join the array, and we just print it using the new line. So environment dot new line, which is for the new line character. Just close it. So we are joining the array of values using the string dot join, and then we get the final result and just print it out. String profit summary. That's it. Let's go. I think okay, we got the result. Let's see. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 regions, or maybe continents, and their total profit. And we just double checked in very. Let's just check how many regions we have. 3 6 7. So it's absolutely right. And yeah, that's it. That's it for today. And if you like the video, please click like button, and if you have any other questions or suggestions, please write down in the comment section.